Hey folks, it's Brett Pruitt again with Full-Time My RV, and we're going to do a couple product reviews today. One is of this Edgestar Ice Maker and the other will be of the Eva-Dry Petite Dehumidifier. But before we get started, I just want to give you my normal thing that I tell everybody all the time, which is I only recommend products that I use and that I like. If it's a product I don't like, it doesn't go up on my website. I don't waste my time bashing products because that's a good way to get your YouTube channel yanked. But let's start by talking about this Edgestar Ice Maker. And basically the ice maker, and the reason that I have it is as you'll see in a minute when I show you the picture of the freezer, your freezers in your RVs don't have a ton of room. That's probably the one downside to living in a RV full-time. And rather than tying up my freezer space with ice cubes, I've gone and gotten this Edgestar Ice Machine. Now this will make ice depending upon what size you use, and as you notice, you have a power button, you have a select button, and then you have small, medium, and large ice cubes. By pressing select, it'll move back and forth. This small will make ice about every 6 minutes, medium will make ice about every 8 minutes, and in fact it's getting ready to cycle, so let's open this up and watch it cycle. And this is a small ice cube, so it'll make these ice cubes about every 6 minutes. This is pretty much how the mechanism works. There's a clear plastic ice bin that's in here. And the neat thing about this ice bin, and of course they give you this nice little scoop. As you can see the cubes that it makes. But in this reservoir, you see these holes here at the bottom. Any ice that you don't use, you don't have to worry. It'll just melt and fall back down into the reservoir, which is beneath the tray here. As you can see, there's not a ton of ice in there, but or a ton of water in there, but it'll recycle itself. Going back to the front panel again, you got your small, your medium, and your large. Your large ice cubes will take about 10 minutes to make, and then it's got a light here to tell you when the tray is full and it's not going to make any more ice, or if you need to add water, it'll show up here, which I'm pretty sure that one's going to go off in a moment. We're going to cut away here for a second and go over to the freezer. Alright, this is my RV refrigerator freezer, which as you can see it's kind of too tall for the video, but anyhow it's made by Dometic and it's got nice wood paneling on it. But this is the size of the freezer. And to kind of give you a reference, I've got 3 TV dinners in there, all the life of a bachelor. Remember what I was mentioning before, the same thing for the freezers you have for the refrigerator. Make sure that you put some space between your food items in there so that air can move around. Otherwise, you could potentially have some food spoilage. But as you can see, there's not much room in the freezer, and that's why I shut it, was just to keep it cool. You can hear it kind of cycling and sucking the air out of there. But there's not a lot of room in the freezer, so you don't want to tie it up with ice cubes. Okay, here's the Eva-Dry. This is the second product I was talking about, the Eva-Dry Dehumidifier. And as you can see, we've got some water in here. The reservoir has got a little bit of water in it, and this is what it's sucked out of the air over the last couple of days. As far as dumping it goes, it's a real easy thing. You pull the plug, which this is hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, you pull the little plug out, and you just take it over to your sink and dump out the excess water. Nice and clear. Once you're done, you just push the plug back in, and once it snaps in place, this is a float, and what will happen is as your water in the tank gets to the full level, this float will actually come up and press a sensor inside of the dehumidifier and tell it that it's full. And so instead of it just consistently getting more water and pouring it all over your countertop, it'll shut the unit off, and there's a light on here that says full. It's a warning light, and it'll automatically switch the Eva-Dry off. Now if you notice, it says I guess it doesn't say whisper quiet technology, and you're right up on it with the camera, and I'll be quiet for a second, see if you can hear it making noise. Makes very low noise. You can barely hear it. So that's that's it in a wrap. We've got the ice maker and the Eva-Dry dehumidifier. These are products that I both own, use, and do recommend. Thank you for watching my video.